This tutorial explains how to convert character strings to lower and to uppercase using the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this tutorial, I will show you several examples, and all of these examples are based on the character string that we can create with line 2 of the code. So if you run this line of code, you can see at the top right of RStudio that a new data object is appearing, which is called X. And this data object contains the character string example. And as you can see, the first letter, the letter E, is currently in uppercase, and the remaining letters are in lowercase. So let's assume that we want to convert all characters of this character string to lowercase. Then we can apply the tolower function, as you can see in line 4 of the code. So if you run this line of code, you can see at the bottom in the RStudio console that a new output is returned, and this output shows our character string only with lowercase letters. Similar to that, we can apply the toupper function, as you can see in line 6 of the code, in case we want to convert all characters in our character string to uppercase. So if you run this line of code, you can see at the bottom that our character string is returned in uppercase letters. Similar to the tolower and toupper functions, we can also use the casefold function, as you can see in lines 8 and 10 of the code. So if we specify the upper argument within the casefold function to be equal to false, then our character string is returned in lowercase. And if we specify this argument to be equal to true, then our character string is returned in uppercase. Another function that can be useful in case you want to switch from lower to uppercase or the other way around is the chartr function, as you can see in line 12 of the code. And within this function, you can specify the old characters that you want to convert to new characters. So in this case, I want to convert the characters exam to a lowercase e, an uppercase x, a lowercase a, and an uppercase m. So if you run line 12 of the code, you can see at the bottom that another character string is returned, and this time we have some letters in lowercase and some letters in uppercase. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.